Thanks, everybody. Thanks for coming out to night one. I hope you agree with me that it's going way better than I thought it would. And now talk to me at the merch desk if you're like extremely disappointed. Concert standard tuning, everybody. Yeah, that's a good idea. I could bust that one out one of these nights.
Yeah!
But not tonight.
He's gotta come back.
Sorry, bro. I didn't even consider that one, but I guess it is possible. But I am going to play a Parking Court song, if that's all right.
Yeah!
Shit. One I haven't played in literal goddamn years. Like, I'm gonna guess 5. But I like this one a lot. And I miss it. I didn't know I missed it until I kind of figured out this arrangement, and I was like, I'll give it a whirl. Catch me in hours, I say. Into darkness, I thought to be extinct. Shield my eyeballs as the curtains were torn, and shed a light so bright, shining like the day I was born. Mama Cedar, take from me what I stole. Oh, I get a look from you, and it flips me into a blank page in my soul, like a left open window. Ignore. Cuts to my core when I see you tonight. Mama Cedar, I'm prepared by the place, and it's fine as ever, and the trunk is tense. Kept repeating myself in my native tongue, the pilots of the problem itself. Mama Cedar, hold me now as I ache. Yeah, she's got a real tight grip, and she's rocking, trying to shake me awake. And on the white noise number of the AM band, and the last classic rock band's last solid record creeps in, a call out of the blue from an old friend. Disassembly. taught me to crawl. Don't beseech me for the answers you seek. Oh, I kept explaining that I was too tired to continue to speak. Mamacita, hear me now, I insist. Oh, you've got to trust me when I say I'm for something better than this. Well, I kept repeating myself. There was nothing left to defend. The house had just collapsed on itself. Instant disassembly. Mamacita, tie me loose as I bleed. Oh, seems like you've got a spotlight cast on the dark side of me. And I feel pain so acute, just like I'm being impaled, and I can't breathe, it's hard to inhale.